We've decided that we're going to take one of these all-electric Mach-E's from Ford to the most remote part of Aotearoa and take it on a bunch of adventures. We have just stopped in Murchison for a quick little charge here. Next stop,
Punakaiki.
yo! We're about to drive this beautiful scenic highway and I'm going to mount a Max. Using the boomstick here, we can get a beautiful shot as we cruise along the coast. This is home. Home sweet home tonight. Check this out, guys. Fresh white bait on the west coast. It doesn't get much better than this. Good morning, everyone. We woke up to a little bit of rain this morning, but we just found out that the road into the Oparara Basin, which is tomorrow's plan, is closed to roadworks. It's open today. Now we're gonna have to sandwich 2 days worth of filming into one. Welcome to the Oparara Basin. You're on one of my most favourite little hikes in Aotearoa, the Moria Archway. It's a pretty magical spot for me. Found it one day and I guess that's the spot that made me want to become a photographer. Using the GoPro boom mounted onto a suction cup on the side of the vehicle. I'm also putting an ND filter and lowering the shutter speed 5K 87 and 24 frames per second. So we're on the Fenian track just outside of Karamea on a little loop path full of tunnels. At the end of the tunnel. And now we're finishing with what's about to be an incredible West Coast sunset. This thing just goes. It's all-wheel drive. We've got all our camping gear in the front. It's not just for city kids. We can take this on so many adventures. Range anxiety, gone.